Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best fridge magnets is probably one of the most underrated yet incredibly valuable tools for early childhood development, offering a fantastic blend of entertainment and education right in your kitchen, transforming mundane moments into opportunities for learning shapes, colors, letters, and even basic words, all while keeping your little one safely engaged and stimulated as you go about your daily tasks. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Wooden Animal Magnet Set. Discover a delightful collection of 20 vibrant wooden animal magnets. This set features a variety of farm, zoo, and pet creatures, perfect for any magnetic surface. Crafted with small hands in mind, these durable magnets are easy for toddlers to grasp and place. They adhere perfectly to fridges, whiteboards, or any magnetic surface. More than just toys, these magnets are a Montessori-inspired tool for early learning. They help develop crucial skills like color recognition, sorting, storytelling, and fine motor abilities. Encourage hours of imaginative, screen-free play with these child-safe wooden magnets. Their smooth edges ensure safety while inspiring creativity and storytelling, whether solo or with friends. Each set comes in a sturdy, gift-ready storage box, making cleanup and organization a breeze. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or any day for children aged 2 to 5. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been dedicated to inspiring wholesome, kid-powered play. You can trust their commitment to quality and imaginative learning. What we like. These charming wooden magnets offer a tactile and natural play experience. They are perfect for fostering early learning skills through Montessori-inspired activities. If you value classic, durable toys that encourage screen-free imaginative play, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive reviews with details found in the provided empty source. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per instructions. Number 4. Cute Animal ABC Magnetic Letters. This set introduces children to the alphabet with engaging animal characters. Its vibrant colors and adorable patterns capture their attention, making learning both fun and effective. Each of these large uppercase letters features a vivid animal, like for alligator, creating a delightful learning experience. They spark curiosity, helping kids learn letters and animal names simultaneously. Crafted with non-toxic plant ink and thickened cardboard, these letters are safe and built to last. Their smooth, rounded edges are perfect for little hands, ensuring worry-free play. Lightweight and portable, they offer learning opportunities wherever you go. Children can enjoy them on trips, share with friends at school, or even use them on the fridge while parents are busy. Beyond just letters, they cultivate animal recognition and develop essential hand-eye coordination. This makes them a comprehensive tool for early childhood development. This makes an excellent gift for preschoolers over 3, fostering hand-eye coordination and foundational knowledge. It's a thoughtful choice for parents, teachers, and friends looking for educational fun. What we like. This unique set combines alphabet learning with adorable animal characters, making education engaging. Its vibrant colors and cute patterns are designed to capture children's attention effectively. If you're looking for an innovative way to teach letters and animal recognition simultaneously, this is ideal. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no specific product features or functions can be quoted. Number 3. Gamenote Classroom Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to spark curiosity and foster foundational learning in young children. It's crafted with insights from educators and parents, ensuring every detail supports early childhood development. They are suitable for ages 3 and up. Inside, you'll find 234 vibrant letters, including both uppercase and lowercase, along with a double-sided magnetic board. It also comes with 3 whiteboard pens and an eraser, providing everything needed for extensive spelling and sentence building. The high-quality, double-sided magnetic board is perfect for attaching letters and also for drawing and writing. It's easy to clean and reuse, making it an ideal tool for interactive lessons and creative play. Each box has a corresponding letter code for classification. All letters are made from soft, durable EVA foam with full-cover magnets, ensuring they stay put without loose pieces. Their gentle texture is perfect for small hands, making them easy to grip, spell with, and even wash. They can attach to various magnetic surfaces. This kit is suitable for children from 4 to 12 years old, encouraging independent or guided learning at home, preschool, or on the go. It's a fantastic resource for parents and teachers to support phonics and word recognition, and younger kids can play with parents. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides an extensive collection of letters for all spelling needs, complete with a versatile magnetic writing board. Its soft, fold-back foam letters are perfect for small hands and safe play. If you need a robust teaching tool for phonics and group learning, this set is incredibly useful. What people say. No reviews found in the source content. Therefore, no points can be selected. Number 2. SUPINEEDO Farm Animal Refrigerator Magnets for Kids. These magnets feature a full magnetic backing, specially designed for little hands. They are easy to move around and stay firmly in place, ensuring they won't fall off during playtime. Size just right for little ones, these magnets are easy for small hands to grasp and manipulate. They are ideal for babies and toddlers as they learn and explore their surroundings. Recommended for toddlers aged 1 to 3 years and up, these magnets are a great learning tool. For younger children, parental supervision is suggested to ensure safe and fun playtime. More than just a toy, this set is a perfect pre-education learning gift. It encourages children to explore and ask questions, making it ideal for parents, teachers, and homeschoolers. Crafted from high-quality, soft rubber, they are safe, durable, and built to last. These versatile magnets can be used on fridges, whiteboards, magnetic easels, and many other magnetic surfaces. What we like. Designed specifically for little ones, these farm animal magnets feature a full magnetic backing for secure play without falling. Their perfect size makes them easy for tiny hands to grasp and manipulate safely. If you have a toddler aged 1 to 3 and prioritize safety and durability in their learning toys, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 1. WISESTAR 26 PCS transports rubber fridge magnets for kids. Discover the WISESTAR 26-piece transport magnet set, featuring a delightful collection of aircraft, boats, and vehicles. This vibrant assortment brings the world of transportation right to your child's fingertips. Each piece is perfectly sized for small hands, ranging from 1 to 3 inches. They feature built-in magnets and friction-increasing material, ensuring they stay securely in place without scratching surfaces. These magnets are more than just toys, they're educational tools that develop motor skills and teach about different modes of transport. Your child will learn about 26 unique vehicles, boats, and aircraft, making them ideal for early learning. Perfect for refrigerators, whiteboards, magnetic easels, and more, they offer endless possibilities for creative play and learning. Teachers, parents, and homeschoolers will find them incredibly useful. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic rubber, these magnets are safe for children over 3 years old. They are lightweight, waterproof, and durable, designed for long-lasting fun and learning. What we like. This engaging set introduces children to a variety of vehicles, boats, and aircrafts, sparking curiosity about the world. Its built-in magnets ensure they stay put without scratching surfaces, providing secure play. If you want to develop your child's motor skills and expand their vocabulary with a fun transportation theme, this product is highly recommended. What people say. No reviews were found in the provided source content. No reviews were found in the provided source content. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.